The P0064 diagnostic trouble code signals an issue with the heated oxygen sensor heater control circuit on bank 2, sensor 3. This sensor, also called HO2S, plays a crucial role in monitoring oxygen levels in the exhaust to help the engine maintain the ideal air-fuel mixture for efficient combustion and reduced emissions. Let's visualize this. Here you can see the exhaust system with oxygen sensors before and after the catalytic converter. Sensor 3 on bank 2 is typically located downstream, after the catalytic converter, monitoring catalyst efficiency. This diagram shows the exhaust system layout. The primary sensor near the engine measures oxygen for fuel control, while the secondary sensor after the catalytic converter assesses its performance. The heater control circuit uses a PWM signal from the engine control module to heat the sensor quickly to operating temperature, typically 300 to 400 degrees Celsius. A high voltage reading indicates excessive voltage, which can stem from shorts, open circuits, or ECM issues, preventing proper sensor warm-up and affecting fuel mixture accuracy. The P0064 code typically manifests through several noticeable symptoms that can affect your vehicle's operation. First, the check engine light will illuminate on your dashboard, indicating a fault has been detected. You may experience reduced fuel efficiency, with a noticeable drop of 5 to 10% in your miles per gallon. Rough idling is another common symptom, where the engine runs unevenly at idle speeds. In some cases, you might notice decreased engine performance, such as reduced acceleration or power. Advanced diagnostics for the P0064 code involve precise electrical testing. Start with a multimeter to measure the heater resistance of bank 2 sensor 3. Next, verify the sensor receives proper power and ground using a continuity tester. Check for voltage at the connector. Finally, use an oscilloscope to analyze the pulse width modulation signal from the ECM, ensuring proper waveform patterns. To fix the P0064 code, start with replacing the faulty heated oxygen sensor. This is the most common solution, as the sensor often fails due to wear. Check for frayed or corroded wires in the harness and repair or replace as needed. Corroded connectors can cause circuit issues. Clean them carefully. If software issues or hardware failure is detected, update or replace the engine control module. For all repairs, use original equipment manufacturer parts to keep your warranty valid. After completing repairs for the P0064 code, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the diagnostic trouble code from the vehicle's system. Next, perform a drive cycle by driving the vehicle through different speeds and conditions, as shown in the diagnostic schedule. This ensures the repair is successful and the code does not reappear. To prevent future heater circuit failures like P0064, perform regular OBD2 scans and check essential vehicle fluids, including oil, coolant, and brake fluid.